In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade market correlations in Tradingview. Understanding how different assets relate to one another can provide powerful insights for your trading decisions. Whether you're comparing currencies, commodities, or indices, identifying correlations can help you predict market movements and create more effective strategies. Tradingview offers a range of tools to make this process intuitive, and today I'll walk you through the steps to analyze correlations directly on your chart. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's get started by adding a second symbol to your chart. First, go to the top toolbar of Tradingview and click the plus button. This feature allows you to overlay another symbol on your current chart, making it easy to compare the performance of two assets. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a menu where you can select the second symbol. This could be anything from USD to EURUSD, gold, the S&P 500, or even Bitcoin. Pick the symbol that you want to compare with your current chart. This step is key to visualizing the relationship between these two assets, helping you better understand how they interact. Next, let's adjust the chart style and colors to make the comparison clearer. For the newly added symbol, you'll want to change its chart style to line. To do this, you can either click directly on the symbol or go into the chart settings, depending on your preference. Either method works fine. Using a line style simplifies the visualization of trends, making it much easier to spot patterns and compare movements between the two assets. After setting the style, let's change the color of the new symbol's line. To do that, open the symbol settings by clicking the gear icon. Choose a distinct color that stands out from your original chart. This step ensures that both symbols are easy to differentiate, allowing you to quickly process the data visually. Now, let's take it a step further by using the correlation coefficient indicator. Open the Indicators tab at the top of your Tradingview screen and type correlation coefficient into the search bar. Once it appears in the results, go ahead and add it to your chart. After adding the indicator, it will prompt you to select a comparison symbol. Choose the second symbol you added earlier, whether it's DXY, gold, or any other asset you're analyzing. This indicator is a powerful tool because it quantifies the relationship between the two symbols, giving you a numerical value to work with. Here's how to interpret those values. If the correlation coefficient is closer to +1, it indicates a strong positive correlation, meaning the assets tend to move in the same direction. On the other hand, a value closer to -1 suggests a strong negative correlation, where the assets move in opposite directions. If the value is near 0, it means there's little to no relationship between the two symbols. This quick analysis can help you gauge whether assets are working together, diverging, or behaving independently. Finally, here are a few tips to wrap things up. Take some time to practice using these tools on a variety of symbols. The more you explore, the more intuitive correlation analysis will feel. Over time, this can become an essential part of your trading toolkit, helping you make more informed decisions and refine your strategies. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.